RunnerUp is the next generation sports and esports management platform. It can provide athletes, fans, clubs, brands, and sponsors, businesses, and developers with what they need for the discovery of events and the tools for those events and any media generated by those events. RunnerUp provides an easy-to-use interface for the creation of events, organizations, or teams, and a dynamic modular dashboard. Organizers have a flexible toolbox that can assist with the management of anything from local sports club meets to multi-sports Olympic-scale events. 3 key problems that RunnerUp will address are reaching target audiences, scaling new solutions and going to market, building trust behind new technologies and startups. We can reduce fees that costs thousands of dollars for cloud services. For the solution, RunnerUp meets Hashgraph. For scalability, RunnerUp was designed to be modular, and once the business models were defined, you'd be able to integrate RunnerUp with Hashgraph. For context, if you think of Hashgraph as a type of blockchain, except that it's faster, cheaper, and more secure, and the closest thing to carbon neutral that you can get. For example, Hashgraph can process 10,000 transactions per second at a cost of 1/100th of a cent. With these new solutions, new business models are possible, such as micropayments, which is a pay-for-what-you-use business model. RunnerUp allows us to organize and share event software, and Hashgraph allows us to process those payments in the same application instead of going to third-party. This then gives RunnerUp the ability to provide a marketplace for organizations to select and pay for sports solutions as they are needed. RunnerUp's main target audience includes participants and spectators who get access to a range of sports events in various locations. Clubs and their officiators get early access to new technologies, and the micropayments pay-for-what-you-use business model. Developers and businesses can test new ideas faster and at a lower cost of development. The RunnerUp application will be decentralized and yet able to provide these tools all in one place so you can easily keep track of everything. Distributed ledger tech puts contracts, data, and tokenized assets on the Hashgraph. Integration is also possible with hardware and its software. This will allow for tools for timers, wind speeds, event scores, and athlete records to be stored on Hashgraph and associated with an NFT. The token economics or tokenomics of RunnerUp includes data ownership for individuals and a reward system for sharing that data. This allows RunnerUp to provide controls for athletes to secure and trademark their own identities and help them own or distribute the copyright for it. We can imagine a $10 token bound to a promising athlete or club's potential that can give a decent return on investment for the future. Offered via the RunnerUp platform services and the Hashgraph network, athlete tokens or NFTs can be verified by their associated club or sporting body. RunnerUp can associate an NFT ID number with any relevant stats. Fans can follow an athlete's progress by holding an athlete's NFT in the fan's digital inventory. The athlete's community can help finance their progress by purchasing their tokens. RunnerUp looks for ways to add an additional 10% to the global sports market. Here's an example of how micropayment systems work. Users perform 3.8 million Google searches per minute and 2.6 billion per day, and with a total of 2 trillion searches per year. If every user paid 1/100th of a cent per search, the service provider would receive $200 million per year directly from users. Every view of a tokenized image could reward the copyright holder with 0.001 cents for the use of the image, guaranteed with smart contracts on Hashgraph. And sports club websites can utilize micropayment systems. With web-based micropayments, club members could directly support their favorite clubs by following, liking, subscribing, or sharing. Clubs could offer their members a QR code inscribed membership card, which would allow for club members to easily sign into events. These membership cards can offer a range of different features and functionality, such as quick and easy sign-in, or merchandise payments provided directly through the platform. The current fundraising goal is $250,000 to complete a full conversion of the RunnerUp platform. I've included a demo clip of RunnerUp to give you an idea of how the platform functions and how it can help sports.